Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Coop Heights in Houston, Texas. This is a very new, recently built Heights co-op apartment. It's in the greater or upper Heights, and I want to show it off to you a little bit. I've done some videos already, but this is just showing off some of the really cool features. It's got a really full, beautiful kitchen. It feels really big and nice. It's got a great just living room area. And you know what I like too is just it's got extra space, so you can put an extra table and things like that. You can really have people over. I mean, you can comfortably have 6 or even 7 people over here, no problem. You got a huge balcony out there. This is a really pretty apartment. Everything's white and bright. It's just recently built. It's just beautiful. So it's got a great feel. For the money, this is an incredible deal. I really like the value that the co-op does. What the co-op does is they give you a beautiful apartment in a really nice building. Usually the amenities are a little bit lighter, so they're not going to have like a huge mega pool and stuff like that, but your price is going to be very, very nice here at the co-op. So anyway, that's a little bit more what this looks like. Hey, if you have any questions at any time, or if you want to set up a virtual or live tour, I'd recommend a virtual. Send me a text and I'll set that up for you right away. It's no charge, part of our free service.